Alright, this is my video response to what is in your fridge, except I'll be doing a lovely revised version, what is in your pantry. Alright, getting started. Kraft macaroni and cheese. Beautiful, lovely Cheetah Girls. Gotta love them. I have about 3 packages of those. I have a giant jar of candy. Great, so healthy for you. It's lovely. Let's see if I can reach behind it. There we go. Apple Snits. My favorite food, like, ever. Love the tart kind. No preservatives, which is good. Splenda. Giant pack of Splenda. And, carrot cake mix. And, everyone's favorite. Ritz Toppums. Yay. Snack for any time of day. Ritz. Had to add a commercial. Alright. Next shelf. I have peppermint hot chocolate. Yay. Alright. Pine nuts. Ew. Okay. Utterly disgusting golden raisins. Never opened. I have no idea what the expiration date is. Jello. 3 packs of Jello. Roast of garlic and olive oil pasta. Great. I have about 3 packs of those. Alright, moving on. Alright, I have peanut butter, cookie mix, original graham crackers, Keebler, nah, Keebler, yay, love the elf. More hot chocolate. I'm guessing we drink a lot. A first aid kit. Oh, you never know when you're gonna get injured. More pine nuts. Alright. Ew. Wait. Jelly slugs. Harry Potter. Roasted almonds. Great. Moving down. A giant chocolate rabbit, probably from Easter. Never even ate it. It's probably filled with like worms or something. Tea. I love tea. I'm a big tea drinker, actually. A giant can of Slim Fast Optima. Splendid. More hot chocolate. And I think there's even more back there. Alright. Kashi. I love these, actually. I like the peanut butter kind. More candy, I guess. I think that's that shelf. Oh, we have Uncle Ben's boil-in rice, though, which is always great to have. Alright. We've got Frosted Flakes. 2 boxes of Frosted Flakes, actually. Fruit Loops. The little one loves Fruit Loops. It's not even funny. Crustios. Got them from the Quickie Mart. From somewhere. I don't know, Simpsons obsessed people. I did not know that this was in here, actually, at all, ever. Cookie Crisp. 2 bottles of wine. So, yeah. And a blender. So that's what's in my pantry. Just guess my age, location, relationship status, and etc. So, thanks, and bye.